Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne and today I'm in the kitchen showing you how to make ranch cheddar cheese chicken. Let's get started. The ingredients and materials you will need for this recipe are very simple. Chicken, Cheese Itz, ranch, a bowl to mix it in, a pan to bake it in, and a rolling pin so that you can crush the Cheese Itz. The first thing you want to do is put your chicken tenderloins into your bowl and just cover them with ranch dressing. A little bit does go a long way. After you put some on, you can then flip it around and get it coated. Now that I've coated both sides of the chicken with ranch dressing, I'm going to crush up the Cheez Its. Now that they're crushed up, we're going to pour them over the chicken tenderloins. Again, you're going to turn the tenderloins until they're all coated. Now that they're fully coated, you want to lay them in your pan and bake them at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. You can turn them halfway through if you desire to keep it crispy on both sides. Here's what it looks like straight out of the oven. It smells amazing. Can't wait to plate this up and see how my son feels about it. All right, now it's time for the taste test. Wyatt, are you ready to try the cheddar ranch chicken?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
That's great.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
That's so exciting. So moms and dads, here's another meal for your children. Maybe for picky eaters, it's got the cheddar flavor, the ranch flavor, and it helps get in the chicken that they need. We plated it over white rice with some peas and carrots and a little bit of fruit on the side and a nice cold glass of milk. You could also make this meal with crushed up Cool Ranch Doritos or regular Doritos. I think it would have the same effect of the crunchiness on top. But I just tried it myself, y'all, and oh my goodness, it was so good with that ranch dressing too. I hope you'll make this. Leave me a comment below if you do make this and what you pair it with. Until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy. Bye!